Welcome back. So we saw how we can use a password manager. But now let me show you all the other options that you can choose from in case you didn't like the KeePass that we covered. There are multiple password managers out there and it really doesn't matter which one you use. The KeePass was free and easy to use, but you can also take a look at one of the options that we mentioned right here. So the first one is called LastPass, password management from anywhere, and they offer personal and business service, whichever one you're interested in, whether you're using it for personal use or you're using it for some type of a business that you need to secure. You can choose one of these two options. Besides Password Manager, it also offers a service of encrypting your files, storing any sensitive information or data in an encrypted manner. So it's not just a password manager, and you can read more about all of this right here. The next one would be NordPass, one of the most known password managers, and they also have personal and business plans, so whichever one you want, you can feel free to go with them. Now, these password managers are paid service, but they do offer 30-day money-back guarantee in case you don't like it. The next one is Dashlane, another password manager that you can give a try. And the last but not least is 1Password. Just click on Get Started and they should lead you through the steps of installing and running their password manager. Nonetheless, we already know how we can use it. We saw on KeePass, so it won't be much of a difference with any of these. What you will need to set up is a master password, and then you just join in all your other accounts under that master password, so they are well protected and encrypted. The most important thing to remember is to never give your master password to anyone and to store it in a safe place. Nonetheless, that's about it for password managers, and let's move on to mentioning why file and hard disk encryption is important and with which tools can we do that. See you in the next lecture.